Managing money as a couple can be the difference between harmony and constant tension in a relationship. Whether you're just starting out or have been together for years, aligning your financial goals is critical. Today, we'll break down the step-by-step approach to managing money effectively as a couple, helping you build trust and achieve your financial dreams together. Step 1. Establish transparency. The foundation of financial success as a couple starts with complete honesty. Both partners should lay out their financial situation. This includes income, debts, savings, and spending habits. No matter how intimidating it might feel, being transparent creates a shared starting point for growth. This honesty paves the way for open communication about money. Step 2. Define shared goals. After getting a clear view of your finances, work together to establish both short-term and long-term financial goals. Whether it's saving for a home, paying off debt, or building an emergency fund, set specific, measurable objectives. Aligning your priorities ensures that both partners are working toward a common vision. Step 3. Create a joint budget. Next, develop a budget that reflects your goals and accommodates both partners' needs. Start with your combined income and list essential expenses like rent, utilities, groceries, and insurance. Then allocate funds toward savings, debt repayment, and discretionary spending. A joint budget keeps spending in check and prevents unnecessary financial stress. Step 4. Divide financial responsibilities. Decide who will handle specific aspects of your finances. One partner might oversee bill payments, while the other focuses on investments or savings. Sharing responsibilities ensures that both partners stay actively involved and reduces the risk of financial mistakes. Step 5. Set up joint and individual accounts. Joint accounts are useful for shared expenses like rent or groceries, while individual accounts allow personal spending freedom. Balancing joint and separate accounts ensures that both partners feel a sense of independence while maintaining shared responsibility. Step 6. Schedule regular money check-ins. Make it a habit to review your finances together at least once a month. Use this time to assess progress toward goals, adjust your budget, and address any concerns. These check-ins strengthen communication and help you stay on track as a team. Step 7. Build an emergency fund together. Life is unpredictable, and having a shared emergency fund can provide security. Aim to save 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. Contributing to this fund as a team reinforces the idea that you're building a safety net together. Step 8. Seek professional guidance if needed. If managing money as a couple feels overwhelming, consider consulting a financial advisor. A neutral third party can provide advice tailored to your unique situation and help you stay focused on your goals. Managing money as a couple doesn't have to be complicated. By practicing transparency, aligning your goals, and working together on a budget, you can create a strong financial foundation for your relationship. Remember, teamwork is key when it comes to building wealth and achieving financial stability. Start implementing these steps today, and watch your relationship thrive both financially and emotionally.